No one really tells you this, but using a free AI website builder and hosting isn't hard. It's just usually explained in a super complicated way. I learned that the hard way after trying to build websites with old school drag and drop editors, paying for hosting plans I didn't even understand, and constantly worrying about things like speed, security, and setup. I spent hours moving blocks around, tweaking layouts, and still feeling like something was off. On top of that, I was paying for hosting I barely used and didn't really need at that stage. It was literally exhausting, both mentally and financially. So in this video, I'll walk you through 4 super clear steps that show you how to get a beautiful professional website online for free using a much smarter, beginner-friendly approach. This is the exact workflow that helped me stop overthinking everything and finally enjoy the process of building a website. You don't need technical knowledge, you don't need to spend a ton of money, and you don't need to stress about hosting details. You'll be totally obsessed with how easy this is once you see it in action. The link to Hostinger is in the description, but there's no special discount, just the program itself. Step 1. Sign up and access Horizons, AI tool. Now here comes my absolute favorite part. Getting started with Hostinger's Horizons AEI tool and seeing how fast you can launch your first website. This is usually where most platforms feel intimidating, but Hostinger makes it feel calm and welcoming right away. When I signed up for Hostinger and opened Horizons, I literally had my first website project started in under 2 minutes. I was totally obsessed with how simple and clean the dashboard was. There were no scary menus, no confusing technical options, just a big Create Website button sitting right there. It immediately felt like this tool was built for beginners, not just developers or designers. First, you go to the Hostinger website and click Get Started. You create your account, log in, and land on your main dashboard. From there, you look at the left-hand menu and find the Horizons section. You click on Horizons and you'll see a bright Try Now button. Once you click it, you're taken straight into the AI chat interface, ready to build your website. There's no long onboarding process and no pressure to choose a template or design style up front. You're simply dropped into a space where you can explain what you want, and the AI takes care of the rest. This alone removes so much friction from the process. Here's what most people don't know. Hostinger's AI Builder is totally free to start. You can experiment with as many website ideas as you want, regenerate designs, and explore different layouts before you ever publish anything. You're not locked in, and you're not rushed. But the real game changer is what happens when you actually describe your website idea to the AI. Step 2. Describe your website to the AI. Now here comes my totally obsessed part. Telling the AI exactly what you want and watching it do the heavy lifting. This is where everything starts to click. When I type something like, I want a modern landing page for a new fitness app with a sign-up form and testimonials, the AI literally built the entire page for me. The hero section made sense, the structure felt intentional, and the call to action was clear. I remember thinking, wait, this is a game changer, because it already looked like something a professional designer would deliver. To do this, you simply type into the AI chat and describe your website's purpose in 1 or 2 sentences. For example, you might say, create a landing page for my online course with a hero section, benefits list, and a sign-up form. You don't need marketing jargon or design terms. Just explain what you want the site to do. The AI then generates the full structure of your website. It chooses layouts, colors, fonts, and even writes sample text to help you visualize the final result. You can preview the entire design instantly and scroll through it to see how everything flows together. If something doesn't feel right, you can ask the AI to make changes. You can say things like add a pricing section, make the headline more bold, or change the color palette to blue. And if you want a completely different direction, you can regenerate the design as many times as you want until it feels right. Here's what most people don't know. Hostinger's I can suggest headlines, calls to action, and color palettes that actually match your vibe. If you want something clean and professional, playful and fun, or super cute and friendly, you just say so. And the AI adapts the design to match that feeling. But the real magic is how easy it is to customize everything and truly make the website yours. Step 3. Customize, publish, and share your website. Now here comes my super creative part, making your AI-generated website totally yours and sharing it with the world. This is where your personality and brand really come through. When I started customizing my website, I was honestly shocked at how intuitive everything felt. I clicked on text and replaced it with my real content. I uploaded my own photos by dragging and dropping them into place. I adjusted colors using simple color picker tools. What used to take me hours with other builders literally took about 10 minutes with Hostinger. I was totally obsessed with how smooth the whole editing experience was. First, you click on any text element to edit it with your real content. Then, you upload your own images by clicking on Image Placeholders. You can change colors, backgrounds, and fonts using simple visual controls that don't require any technical knowledge. If you want to add or remove sections, you just use Hostinger's drag and drop interface. You can rearrange sections, delete what you don't need, or add new elements like buttons, forms, or testimonials. Everything stays aligned and consistent automatically, which makes your site look polished without extra effort. When you're ready, you click the Publish button in the top right corner. Hostinger instantly generates a live website link. You can copy the link or scan the QR code to open it on your phone. From there, you can share your website on social media, add it to your email signature, or send it directly to clients or friends. And the best part is that nothing is permanent. If you want to tweak something later, you just click edit, make your changes, and hit publish again. Your updates go live instantly. Here's what most people don't know. Hostinger websites are instantly mobile friendly. You don't have to worry about phone sizes, browsers, or compatibility. One click and your site works everywhere. Step 4. Enjoy free hosting and built-in optimization. Now here comes my favorite finishing part, enjoying free hosting and all the built-in optimizations that make your website shine without extra effort. When I published my site, Hostinger automatically gave me a live link with free hosting, free SSL, and fast loading speeds. I was totally obsessed. My friends could open my site instantly, it looked great on their phones, and I didn't have to configure anything manually. First, you check your live website link and make sure everything loads quickly. Then, you'll notice that Hostinger automatically includes SSL for security, which means your site is protected and trusted by browsers. Next, you can explore the built-in analytics to see how many people are visiting your site and where they're coming from. You can also take advantage of SEO and mobile optimization features that are already built in. There's no extra setup required and no additional cost. Everything just works in the background while you focus on your content. Here's what most people don't know. Hostinger's free hosting includes all the essentials: SSL, backups, analytics, and performance optimization. You don't have to pay extra for these basics, which is something that usually costs money with other platforms. Now let's wrap this up with a quick cost comparison and why this approach is such a game changer. If you hired a professional web designer, you'd easily spend between $3,000 and $10,000. If you tried to learn traditional web design, you'd spend 6 to 12 months in classes and practice. With Hostinger's free AI builder and hosting, you're spending less than the cost of a new pair of sneakers, and you can have your website live in a single weekend. A lot of people ask, but what if I'm not creative? The answer is simple. The AI does the creative heavy lifting for you. You just guide it. Others ask, what if I don't know what sections I need? Hostinger's AI suggests proven structures based on real websites. And no, your site won't look generic. You can customize every detail, and the AI adapts to your brand. And yes, it really is beginner-friendly. If you can drag and drop, you can build a site like this. The results are immediate. Your website is live in hours, not months. You get to show it off to friends, family, and clients. You save thousands on design and hosting, and creatively, you finally get to express your vision without stress. So here's the real question. Are you ready to build your own website the smart way? Click the link in the description to try Hostinger for yourself. No special code needed, just the program. Open it up, describe your idea, and see how fast it turns into a real professional website. Join our community, drop your questions in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more super cute, beginner-friendly tutorials. If you've been waiting for the right moment to build your website without paying for hosting, this is it.